festival of Diwali is celebrated with great pomp in India. People eagerly wait for this festival to arrive. On this day, people are very busy from cleaning their houses to shopping for Diwali in the market. The festival is of great importance that even people living abroad also celebrate Diwali with great enthusiasm. But you would be shocked to know that there are some places in India where Diwali is not celebrated. Yes, you heard that right. There are actually some places where the festival of lights is not popular. Let us tell you that neither Lakshmi Puja is done at this place nor this festival is celebrated by bursting crackers. Even lamps are not lit here. Well, we are talking about Kerala. Now you will be surprised to know the reason behind it. Actually, every festival in Kerala is celebrated with great pomp. But there is no celebration of Diwali. It's only Kochi in Kerala where Diwali is celebrated. Let us know why this festival is not celebrated in Kerala. Well, Kerala was to be ruled by Mahabali, and Mahabali was an Asur and he is worshipped in Kerala. Since Diwali is celebrated because of victory over Ravana, who himself was a demon, which is why people of Kerala do not celebrate this festival. The second main reason is that there are less people of Hindu religion in Kerala, due to which there is not much fanfare on the day of Diwali. The third reason is that at this time there is heavy rain in Kerala, due to which crackers and lamps do not light. Apart from these reasons, there is another reason as well. Actually, people spend all their money in Onam. In such a situation, they do not have any money left to spend on Diwali celebrations. Well, these were a few reasons why Diwali is not celebrated and is not that popular in Kerala. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com. Until then, India.com wishes you a very happy Diwali.